Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Nano laptop, BIOS setup, boot menu setting and Windows installation process. So stay tuned. First of all, we need C-type to USB converter because in this laptop there is no USB port, so we cannot insert pen drive without this converter. So first of all we insert C type in this laptop and insert pen drive, bootable pen drive. That means now shut down laptop and press power button and press F1. After pressing F1, sometimes it will come BIOS setup. Here you see there is some problem in mouse pad, so we can use external mouse for that. After completing BIOS setting, it will work properly. So we go to configure and keyboard and mouse. Here you see all the option you will try to run, and this one is boot menu settings F12. If you not run this setting, the BIOS setup will not work. Okay, we press F10 and save. BIOS setting complete. After restarting, you press F12 for boot menu. Few times you press, so you can see three options. First option Windows, and second storage, and third pen drive. So we press bootable pen drive and it will run. We press next, install now. I don't have CD key. Press Windows 10 Pro and next. Check mark, next, install. Here you see some error, so we cannot install Windows in this situation. So we need to install Windows. That's why we delete all the partition, because there is no data in this laptop. This laptop came from China, so it registered only one language, Chinese. That's why we cannot use it properly. That's why we need to install Windows. We go to install Windows 10 and all the drive was deleted, and now I try to create partition. Here you see, and this size will make partition after completing Windows. So format C drive and next. After completing install Windows, we will create partition from disk management. So wait for complete. In this situation, click OK. Yes, yes, and this situation you could not try to connect internet. Just click this side and insert a name and click yes without password. Okay, Windows installation complete. I think it will help you If you benefited from this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.